What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show, and in today's video, as you guys can tell, I'm a little under the weather, but I want to show you guys 3 different fade points in the beard that will help you guys out as you're growing out your beard or if you're keeping it trim. So as we're getting our haircuts, as we're fading our beards into our longer parts of our beard, there's 3 points where I want to focus on. That way everything blends nice and neat. So those 3 points, because I want to make this nice, fast, and quick, are going to be your sideburn, your jawline, and right here on your chin, okay? So get your clipper out, put it on the fade that you want when it comes to your sideburn, which I like to match up with my side of my hair to my sideburn. So it's usually about a 2. So I'm gonna put it right here as a 2, maybe a 1.5, because this is gonna be the shortest point of the hair, okay? So we're gonna put it right here, right where the earlobe begins, right here. And we're just gonna get up, and we're just gonna bring it down. Perfect. So I'll start here on top, and I'll just bring it down right about here. Same with the other side. Now right there, that's gonna give you at least 2 to 3 weeks of in between that haircut. This is gonna be a big telltale sign if you're ready for a new cut. The second part is going to be around your jawline, okay? So we're gonna make this just a little bit longer on the guard, and we're gonna start right here on the jaw, and right to the bottom of the lobe. Perfect, perfect. Same with the other side, top of the lobe all the way down to the jawline. All right, now that we've got those 2 points done, let's finish off with the third. And once again, we're gonna go just a little bit longer on the guard, and we're gonna fade it right here to the chin from the jawline. There you go. Perfect, and that's it. So we just got a little bit of the hair off, so it wasn't a major trim. But these little clips right here can help you guys throughout your beard growing and your hair cutting process. So in between that awkward stage, if you're cutting out your, if you're growing out your hair, this is a great way to actually really fine tune all of those little spots. And we've got a nice even look right here, and my chin, I'm really wanting to at least grow out just a little bit, kind of give it a little bit of definition. So let's get this vlog started, all right? We've been doing 3 weeks in a row now, so let's just keep it going, all right? So make sure to hit that like button, you guys, subscribe like always. Let's get this video started. Here we go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show, and today is Friday, so I thought it'd be fun to do a weekend vlog. Let's start it off. Getting kind of hungry. I thought we could go get some breakfast. Let's go to a local bakery. We'll get a haircut, which I kind of already did, but we'll throw that in the vlog. But let's have a good time and enjoy our weekend, all right? So come on and come along. that's pretty much the weekend. If you guys want to hear that jam at the end of the video, check out my Instagram. Mainly jiu-jitsu, other fun stuff, but yeah. Other than that, wait up till next weekend and we will continue the saga. Have a great day. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. See ya!